What's up, y'all? Joe with Joe's Going Garage. I've got an interesting little car here. This is the Hyundai Elantra. It's a 2023, and I remember when this car came out in like 21 or 22, I absolutely fell in love with the styling. And at one point, I had shopped one of these down to an SEL model with the convenience package that included heated seats and wireless charging. And I had it down and a number and everything, about 21,000 bucks, but never did do it. This is a fully loaded hybrid, limited everything. This thing has so much equipment. I mean, I've never seen anything like it. This car is absolutely freaking loaded to the hilt. We got first of all, look at the interior. We got this fabric that looks like a burlap. Got memory heated seats. Look at the little tweeters. Power everything. Lane keep assist, adaptive cruise. I mean, look at this dash. This dash is something else. Beautiful screen. Oh, this has, are you kidding me? It's got ventilated seats. Y'all, I bought a new Hyundai Elantra in 2005 for $12,500. And I had to fight for one that had cruise control. All the ones on the lot did not have cruise control, and they had a cassette deck. I had to wait for one to come off the truck that had a CD player and cruise. I mean, this car is so different now. I mean, power moonroof, leather, heated, cooled seats, all kinds of multimedia. I mean, this is nuts. Dual climate control, and look at this handle. I mean, this car is amazing. Just amazing. Hang on, we'll take it for a drive. Sorry, I had to go in the woods and use the restroom. The restroom's a long way from here. God, they got almost 1,000 cars this week. The car market sucks, y'all. If you're wanting and can afford to buy a car, now is the time. I mean, I'm seeing a lot of nearly new cars out here, and I mean, I'm like, why are these out here? Like this car, for example. I mean, where was this trading into? Oh, okay, this is traded back into the Hyundai dealership. Right back to the Hyundai dealership. Ooh, there's a pretty gold LS. The sticker's old on it. It must not be running this week. Anyway, I digress. Yeah, I mean, go. Now's the time to get out there and buy you a new car, or reach out to your dealer buddies. Say, hey, this is what I'm looking for. I mean, this car is probably going to sell. I mean, it's a 23. It's got 24,000 miles. I imagine this is going to sell somewhere in the high teens. Okay. And this car was probably 30 grand new. And in just 2 years and 24,000 miles, yeah. And it's absolutely brand new condition. Absolutely brand new condition. And it was serviced just 10 days ago. Holy crap. Whoa. I mean, this is a 4-cylinder hybrid, people. I'm scratching off. Good Lord. Got some pep in its step. And it's so smooth. smooth. The CVT is quiet. The engine was quiet. That was really nice, y'all. Just a pleasure to drive. Jeez Louise. I could stay out here. I'm losing daylight. I could stay out here until they made me leave. There's so many cars I see that I want to drive. I thought I'd found a Mercedes. There it is, that white one. Oh my gosh, it's horrible. It's got a bad catalytic converter, and the motor mounts are toast. Absolutely shot. Because at first I was like, ooh, I like this. And oh man, when I cranked it up, I was like, ooh, no, I don't. Anyway, tell me what you think about the Hyundai Elantra hybrid. I like it. It's cool. I mean, real cool. Look at that camera. I mean, Hyundai and their camera quality is just, they are stepping up their game now. I know people have got class action lawsuits out against them and certain models and their engines blowing up, but I don't think these are one of them. I'm even gonna set the parking brake so it's not resting on its little park gear. But yeah, it's been averaging 32.3 miles to the gallon. That's not bad. It says it has 449 miles left. Oh, it's got an absolutely full tank of gas. Yeah, just a cool car, man. Oh, I forgot I had the ventilated seat. My butt's chilly. Okay, guys, we'll see y'all at the next one. Peace.